Welcome back to another CSAW CTF 2022 write-up video. In this video, we'll be walking through the web challenge My Little Website. Let's get into it. I am new to programming and made this simple PDF creator website here. Hopefully it's secure enough. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. And it's enter markdown code here. So what if we just type in some random crap there and click submit? We see that it converts it to a PDF. Now, I don't know if any of you participated in the previous cyber apocalypse, but there was a similar challenge. I think it was called Blinker Fluids, where it was converting Markdown to PDF. You could basically inject JavaScript and get it to run commands in the back end. And then it would spit out whatever the result of that command is, or commands are, into the PDF after you submit it. I'm going to refer back to the same GitHub page that I used before, and I'm going to use the same thing that I used in that Blinker Fluids video. So if you want to go check that out, it's somewhere in my channel. I think it's in the Cyber Apocalypse playlist. You can find it there if you want to get more in depth into this vulnerability. But this is the same GitHub repo I used to look at, and I originally started off by trying out the most basic one, but down here's the cream of the crop in the comments. This is the one that works. So we're going to take this and we're going to paste it here, but this is just listing directories. What we want to do is actually replace that require statement with the one that's in the basic one up here that they first present as a payload. So we're actually going to take this one and we're going to replace this require with that require. And then what we're going to do is we're going to say cat flag .txt in the root directory, because that's where it's located at. If you read the hint, it tells you that's where it is at. And then what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of the join here. And this is actually not going to work, and you'll see here in a second that it doesn't. We're going to click submit. And actually, that's not the reason why it wasn't supposed to work that time. I forgot to replace these inner double quotes with single quotes. Now we submit. Still bad, and that's because I have an extra parenthesis right there. There we go. And you'll notice the PDF is blank. Well, in the Blinker Fluids challenge back in Cyber Apocalypse, this actually worked as is. But if you remember before, there was a .join, and what this will do is it'll join it together encoded in decimal, and that's fine because we can just decode that decimal. But I didn't have to do that before in the Blinker Fluids challenge. I do have to do it here, and I'm not exactly sure why, but it doesn't really matter. So we'll submit that instead, and as you can see, we have the decimal here, and we'll copy that, and we'll paste it into CyberChef, and we'll say from decimal, like so. We'll set the delimiter to comma, and there's our flag, CTF, PDF continues to suck. Grab that, paste it in, and submit. Alright, if you enjoyed the video, drop a like and subscribe to the channel to show your support. Turn on post notifications to get regular injections of cyber content directly into your feed. Check out our Patreon, join our Discord, and follow us on Twitter. Links in the description box down below. And leave any feedback or questions in the comments section down below. This is Almond Milk. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, world.